Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an error when attempting to add a printer to your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that Windows cannot connect to the printer, followed by cooperation fails with error 0x000520. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing is checking your network discoverability settings. So in order to check that, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. On left side select network and internet, and on right side you just need to select your internet type guys. For example, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. In my case I am using Ethernet, and after clicking on it, make sure it is selected to public network and then attempt to connect to your printer if you made an adjustment in there, and hopefully that would be resolved the problem guys. Something else we can try as well. Close it off here and go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on open it guys, troubleshoot setting. Click other troubleshooters. Select the printer troubleshoot to run. Follow the on-screen instruction. Hopefully this can help you to resolve the problem guys. If this doesn't help you, then you just need to close it off here. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Close it off the settings, and in cmd you just need to type msdt.exe space /id space printer PRINTER DIAGNOSTIC msdt.exe space /id space printer diagnostic. Press enter, exactly how you see in my screen. After that, click on this advanced apply repair automatically. Select this check mark and select next, and then see that it's able to identify and resolve the problem guys. If you still having problem, then close it off here. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search for print spooler service. You just need to right click on it and select restart. And I would also suggest power cycling your printer and computer to turn both devices off and on again. By doing this, we can restart both devices, and hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.